Your DNA doesn't only listen to science, it listens to vibration. Every sound you make, every tone you hear, every light you absorb, is speaking directly to your cells. Dormant strands of DNA awaken through frequency. The songs that move you, the words spoken in truth, the silence that holds you, they all ripple into your cells like tuning forks. Sound, light, intention. These are the keys. When you sing, when you pray, when you let light enter your heart, your DNA responds. It remembers who you are. And it begins to sing back a song of love, of truth, of awakening. Solaris.